What if I told you, for most people, productivity is not their problem. They're not lazy nor they're unmotivated. They just focused on the wrong thing. And that's exactly why even your hard work sometimes feels empty. In today's episode, we're going to unpack that one thing that all winners do that losers cannot. And it has got nothing to do with working harder. So let's find out what that might be. Are you someone who knows what to do to get results, but cannot make yourself do it? If you're tired of getting in your own way and want to stop doing that, then this might be the podcast that changes everything. Welcome to Rajesh Murthy's Podcast. Winners, they all do one thing that losers cannot. And who knows what that is? Because your productivity does not matter if your identity is not locked in. Because then you'll be productive doing all the wrong things. Most people forget the goals they state for their business or their career or their lives the very next day. So how serious it is when someone says, I'm seriously building my business. You see, winners, they all focus on one thing. No shiny object syndrome at all. And this is the thing that separates the winners from losers. No shiny object syndrome. They don't get distracted or sidetracked no matter what from their main purpose. And this is the main difference between all successes and failures. Because people who cannot focus, they all become losers. And it has got nothing to do with their productivity either. Most people are productive, but because they cannot focus, they are super productive on all the wrong things in life. Because the human mind or the human brain needs to be productive somewhere. And that's how we are all wired. And because I have to be productive somewhere, I'm productive doing all the wrong things. And your life becomes a blur when your mind gets divided. So if you're feeling unaccomplished, like you didn't do anything today, then check your focus. How many different things did you do today? Because the more things you do with different focuses, the less accomplished you feel. Because if you spread yourself too thin, then you disappear. So the bottom line is this. Keep focus on one thing for 2 to 3 hours at a stretch when you're doing your deep work. Not also binge watching television as you're working or scrolling or looking at notifications that you receive or observing what others are doing with their lives. Most people work hard on the wrong thing and then they wonder why nothing changes. Why work hard on what's not working? Doing the wrong thing efficiently suddenly does not make it the right thing. You can be working all day and still be hiding from your real work because most people are busy escaping the work that could actually change their life. But the moment you commit fully, then what happens? Life realigns itself or shifts to support you. We've all heard these from school days that you are the seed, the soil, and the sunlight. But it is the focus that turns this potential into power. And when you stop chasing everything, what happens? The right things, they start chasing you. Because everything that you need is already within you. And your greatest work has not even begun yet. And that happens with focus and no shiny object syndrome at all. Talk soon. Thank you for listening. For more insights and deeper shifts, subscribe to this podcast or explore more at rajeshmurthy.com.